Doing a winter scene, nature of beauty. Got all these seagulls here. The water's frozen, so what are they gonna do, right? How are these birds gonna be going in the water with that? So the water is frozen here. Alright, so this is the Peekskill waterfront. And as you can see, it's not fully solid. As you can see, that those yellow colors. As we got the train arriving at the Peekskill station. Okay. So, got Indian Point, Charles Point over there. And looks like there's a whole bunch of birds on the ice. Like way over there. So this is a pretty... Oh yeah, you got seagulls over there too standing. Oh, that's cool. So this is pretty frozen. But the temperature's going to be moderating starting tomorrow, so...